Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 10 to 16, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang ang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see Capricorn, what's up with you this week? For the Cappies. Wow! Oh, talaga naman, abundance. Goddess of abundance, divine, let me thrive, let fortune be mine. Wow. So, if you are, really doing the hard work, kasi ito yung mga farmers sila, diba? So, they are like harvesting yung kanilang mga in-important, pinagpaguran, trinabaho. Ayan. So, you're attracting abundance this week, Capricorn. Yung resources mo na kailangan mo, andyan, makukuha mo. So, don't worry. You also have study. You are learning new things. You are improving your knowledge, your skills. Pwedeng online learning to. Pwedeng self-study. Kumbaga, ikaw yung gumagawa ng research mo on your own. Wow! O talaga naman, Capricorn, may victory pa. So, there is triumph. Meron kang award, no? For some of you, merong award, recognition, or meron kang ma-achieve na goal this week. You are celebrating a victory. Yung iba, kung meron kayong exam na meron kayong naging exam, tapos naghihintay kayo ng resulta, so ayan, kayo ay papasa dun sa exam na yon, whether this is a licensure exam or a very important examination na talagang life-changing for you. Yes. So, your overall energy is the 10 of Wands. Oh, yung iba ba sa inyo, Capricorn, masakit yung katawan nyo? Parang ang dami nyong dala-dala, no? Parang ang dami nakadagan. O, magpamasahe na kayo. Oo, kasi makakagaan sa inyong pakiramdam, especially mga pagod lagi, no, yung puyat lagi. Massage nakakatulong sa circulation ng blood. This can also mean na marami kang kailangang gawin, marami kang task naka-line up ngayong week na to. Your challenge is the 4 of Coins. So ang challenge mo is how are you going to prioritize, no? Kasi pwedeng marami kang obligasyon, marami kang kailangan gawin, responsibilities. So, kung marami yan, kailangan ma-manage mo yung oras at panahon mo, yung resources mo, kung saan mo itutuon yung panahon mo, oras mo. So, time management is the key. And then, your opportunity is the strength. O, diba? May opportunity ka na palakasin yung sarili mo, i-improve ang iyong kalusugan. So, this can be a physical strength na ini-improve mo sa sarili mo. This is also your courage, lakas ng loob. So, malakas talaga yung loob mo na gumawa ng mga bagong, parang it's like you are creating opportunities for yourself, no? And then your blessing is the 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands is protection. Okay? So you are blessed with protection from people na take advantage of you. So I think you're also parang magiging sensitive ka rin sa intentions ng iba sa'yo. So if you feel like the intention is off, so iwas ka na doon. You are setting boundaries. You also have the key and lock. So, merong inspiration. I feel like you're going to be inspired in making solutions to an existing problem na pwede mo siyang maging business or source of income. Example na lang, halimbawa, example lang to, yung mga TikTok affiliates, no? Kasi nagtutry din ako mag-TikTok affiliate. So, sabi doon, kailangan daw na yung product na pinopromote mo is meron siyang sinusolve na problema para mas madali siyang ibenta, 'di ba? So, I feel like yun yung energy ninyo na you are inspiring yourself para makapag-isip ng mga solusyon sa mga existing problems na pwede siyang maging negosyo or pwedeng pagkakakitaan in the future. Meron mga taong pinag-uusapan ng Capricorn. I don't know if this is your colleagues, no, mga katrabaho mo, mga kamag-anak mo. Maaring tinitingnan nila or parang inaalam nila what's going on with your life. Ano lang to, parang siguro ito yung mga taong hindi ko masabi, no, para silang kunyari ang pakita nila sa'yo is kaibigan mo sila, pero hindi, no. That's why ang blessing mo is you are going to be protected from these people, no, yung mga taong may hindi magandang intentions towards you. Malalaman mo agad na hindi maganda yung intentions nila. Problems that are that bound you must overcome. So I think ito yung finding solutions to the problems that you have, so you will be able to overcome it. So don't worry, be happy. Okay, money, career, finances. You have the world. Wow, ang ganda. So the world is about achievement. So meron ka ma-achieve sa finances mo, like whether small or big na achievement to, at least you got something for yourself, no. I also see this as like a new beginning rin, kasi pwedeng merong cycle na natatapos pagdating sa career, sa business mo. That's why merong opportunity na nag-open up sa'yo. So be open to that opportunity. And then you have the 8 of Swords. Medyo yung iba sa inyo nag-overthink ng mga bagay na hindi pa naman problema. So kung hindi pa siya problema, wag mo munang problemahin. Okay. Meron ditong feast, so may celebration. Yes. Maaring may na-achieve ka sa trabaho mo, sa career, sa business mo. You are celebrating your small wins. Sa relationship, meron ditong Temperance and the 6 of Wands. Some of you, if you're connecting with someone, may karelasyon ka, I think parang you're seeing your person as parang you see your relationship as successful, pero parang you feel like meron pang kulang. Uy, ex-lover. Baka maaring meron kang hinahanap sa current partner mo na ibibigay ng ex mo. Oops, okay. Oo. So, I think you really have to see na may magkakaiba yan, 'di ba? Oo. Kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, be happy for your situation, whether you are in a relationship or not. Yung iba kasi single tapos hindi pa nakaka-move on sa past nila, no? Oo. So, you have to focus on your healing. Healing rin kasi tong Temperance. To heal yourself and focus on how to become more successful on your own. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.